Taking a small piece of green, putting it around the pin, and tying 3 double half hitch knots. You can use whatever color you like. I chose green. Now you grab your white cord, make a short end, and hold that in, and then attach it with a double half hitch knot. Holding the short end of the white cord with the green cords, and then you will do an alternating half hitch knot on the green and one white cord. You can make this as long as you want. Now you want to make 2 more just like that. Put 1 cord that's the same color as your petals onto a needle. On the back side of the petals, on the middle petal at the bottom, you want to poke in your needle. Pull a little of the cord through, and then on the front side, on the opposite side of the middle petal, you want to put it in at the bottom. And pull that through a little bit. Turn your work over and go to the petal on the outside and put it in the bottom. Pull it through. Close up your petals so the back side of the work is facing you. Bring your cord around and put it through the other petal. On the same petal, you want to put it on the other side and poke it through. Remove your needle and then tighten up your 2 cords. And tie a knot. Now take the small pieces and just poke them through the center of all the petals. Pin your work down and tie your 5 working cords together. Add a little clear fingernail polish to your knots and threads, cords. And clip off your extra cording. Then one more dab of clear fingernail polish. Now, if you need to make any adjustments, you'll want to do that now. If you pull on the inner short cords to straighten them up and make them fit in nice, you can do that. I forgot to show, but here you can see that I wrapped it with the purple cords that were tied on the opposite side. And there you can see I got a loose cord, so I'm pulling it. Place your first one into your second one and bring your sides up, pin it down, and tie. You're tying the 5 working cords. Dab a little clear nail polish on it, cut your cords, and dab a little more. Now I'm pulling out one of the long cords, and I'm just going to tie everything together with a simple wrap. And then I'll tie a knot to hold it. And your lily flower is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do make some, I would love to see them. Thanks for watching.